Let's take a look. We're back at all-time highs, guys. It happened. This whole down move, it was supposed to go another 3%, 5% down. Never materialized. It's a bull market, as it often is. So, let's catch up. Semis woke up. Breakout on MPWR doing awesome. A-Lab up, CRDO up, MU up, AVGO, AMD looking pretty viable. Banking names waking up. ARC. Yeah. Banking names are big, so that's good for the SPY. ARC holding in there. CCL holding in there. Hood coming down a little bit. Oklo had some sort of partnership news with LTBR. SMR not the one. Tesla holding in there. Incredible rocket back up. Just incredible. Rate cuts are coming in September. IWM. Russell is incredibly shorted. TNA might be the way to buy. Short QQQ, long IWM is still on the table. Mags holding well. Meta went. So, you know. Him's going lower. Meta might still be a buy at this point. Hard to say. Banks, Citi, Morgan Stanley, all moved. Unity seems like it's still going to go higher. And then nothing to do with these space names. ASTS, all these earnings are just failing. Same deal with Ethereum. Like, you just got to let this go. at this point. BABA does have earnings going up, so got to be patient. So yeah, IWM outperforming, semis and banks are super strong. NVIDIA actually doesn't have a lot of strength right now, so I'd be careful with that. It's relative weakness to the semi sector. Hood's still hanging in there. Hood is still hanging in there. Okay. What did I just do, guys? Oh dear. This is a problem. All right, guys. Five minutes to open. Roblox coming down a little bit. That's the dollar coming down some. It's the 10-year, so we're holding. Bitcoin holding. Oil coming down a little bit. Ethereum continuing overnight. Robinhood had a little gap up. AMD gapped up. Oh, God damn, this is so annoying. Tesla up a little bit. So IWM is strong. So you'd make more money in the Russell than the NASDAQ. Peter Thiel is buying all these Ethereum treasuries. PM&R, a lot of volume. Palantir would need a gap up and a lot of volume to be interesting to short. PE just gotta let it be. Just let it go sideways at this point. Two minutes till open, guys. Can't touch quantum. GEV needs to go sideways. So Google, guys, the earnings reaction actually continued up, but it wasn't easy. So AMD, I think, is the move here. Even Microsoft is starting to move up. If AMD keeps going, there's a greater number of stocks that are going to keep going. QS, just got to leave this alone. Pull out a base. TSSI, continuation to the downside. touch this. It's overcrowded. So this actually has lower highs, guys. Lower highs. Futu, beautiful move. Even if you held half up here, you could almost hold this. Maybe not. Maybe you dropped even a quarter at that point. Same thing with ARC. And of course, this pullback is the SPY. Right there, that's the SPY. Although China's delayed because of the time zones. It's a little messed up. ASDS stuffed. Roblox, I'm still short that. Yes, Reddit worked, but in general, stuff didn't work. I did try to buy Reddit, but actually I tried to short it there to be real. No. JCI, not great. Wolf's interesting. Hot's acting well. Oklo, still interesting. I don't know about Oklo. Yes, UAL went up one day, but we need to see more than that. Nothing for CCJ right now. BWXT, interesting. MB's kind of old, no? SC 174. They can hold that. BIS, absolutely wonderful. See if it can continue or not. Let's see. Not bad. This is already up a few days in a row. What else, guys? AMR has been in a downtrend, but it is moving. Affirm is holding back up. Carbon is no good. CRNC, yeah. FTII. Big base. AMSC holding in there, pretty extended, not too extended. Oracle kind of strong. G is just too slow. SLUN is up too high. XBI is a rate cuts move. That's the biotechs. A-Lab could go a lot farther, guys. AMPX needs to go sideways. SAA, super choppy. TAM could work. Roblox pulling off more. ONON, DEC, and Crocs aren't doing great, so pretty rough. Tough thing, AMD, kind of a high volume down day, and then got bought right back up. What else, guys? UNH is actually moving up. Earning estimates were okay. We'll ignore that. Arlo trying to come back. Shops holding up. All right, guys. Still short Roblox. See you guys tomorrow. Do well, be well. XXRP looks pretty good. See how that AEVA is working. Not great. Wolf versus the 20-day right here. NVIDIA could break out here actually pretty soon. Roblox is the short. AMDL has got to be the leveraged NVIDIA thing, right? How this works. Alright guys. Should work, right? Roblox is working. FFAI. It's interesting. Africa. I don't know, guys. There's a lot of stocks on this list. Right here over on the left side of the screen. A lot of stocks. If you do drop a ticker in the chat, we can check that out. Otherwise, I think this is pretty much it. Oh, and yes, student offering. And held. Core weave call yesterday. Meh. LAU's down more. Offering. CRCL did an offering. Don't look at this stuff. Don't look at the China stuff, guys. Don't look at the screen. ETH pumping for sure. Kava, big volume on the downside. Solana, SLT, pumping. ACHR, hopping in there, just barely. QVTS just following. RGTI, you can't really buy these. This got wrecked today already. SPY is still pumping high though, guys. Meanwhile, Roblox is down, down, down. If I can just hold Roblox without adding to it, that'd be great. NVST breaking out. So UNH, so why buy now? MACD cross up. I guess it's a bull divergence, bear divergence. If things started going up, this thing goes down. I wouldn't get caught up in that stuff. How are solars doing? TN ETF kind of growing up finally. FSLR, ENPH. I don't think you can still buy this stuff. FSLR is kind of looking, it's holding. Yeah, definitely interesting. APLD. What are you loading? What could you possibly be loading? Jeez. APLD is getting to an interesting spot. Don't worry about this weed stuff. What else do we got going, guys? Meta's making a move for sure. For sure. So Oklo had that undercut rally off the left side peak here with news. CLS is going all-time highs. Galaxy holding up. MSTR. MACD went up, but now it's holding. Him, another reversal opportunity here. Crazy to say, but not that crazy. This rare earth stock still looks interesting. USAR. It's back. CRCL rejected that. And so the biotech EVTF is moving. All right. What's up, Gabrielle? It's almost 10 minutes ago you mentioned that, so sorry about that. But this is the stocks I'm looking at today. If you can see the screen right here, it's a lot of stocks. But I'll run through them right now because why not? AMD. Breakout point up here. You can see all the tickers here. I'm just going to add the sector. Let me know if you're still here in the chat. Wow, Roblox is just getting destroyed. And then I can take a look at a specific stock. Otherwise, yeah, this is kind of what we're looking at here. Save this. Yeah, AMD, LTBR, TNA, this is ETF, Meta, Unity Software, BABA, earnings coming up, GEV, Microsoft curling up, Oklo after earnings. Careful with this one. BWXT still holding. SE pumping. JPM. I almost just want to get rid of this. It's just so slow moving. I don't even know what happened on here. Okay. AMR curling up finally over the 200-day. FTAI holding up after earnings. It doesn't look amazing. AMSC looks like it got rejected, but could break out here. Oracle, super strong, higher lows, XPI, ETF, coming over this 89 level. ALAB, it's up a lot, but it's not slowing down anytime super soon. XXRP, so this is XRP, the crypto. Looks strong. NVIDIA could break out, although probably don't need to look at that right now. FFAI, interesting. Zeta, kind of off the beaten path here, off this level. MBST breaking out, FSLR Solar breaking out, APLT has the double left side peak situation going here right here. So see what happens there. CLS breaking out, sort of a grinder, and then HIMS or rebound play, although that's pretty sketchy. And then USAR, double left side peak as well. Looks very similar to APLD actually. So what do you think, Gabriel? No, I don't know what I was looking at. USAR does not look similar to APLD. Those are all the names. Are you looking at any in particular? Probably going to close up shop here and start to chill, see what kind of stocks are good buys for this week. Yeah. You guys are awesome. Be well, be safe, be awesome. In terms of sectors, these are the semi-stocks. This is actually solar. I don't know about that. And then ETFs, TNA, XBI. Maybe these metal stocks. Software stocks. are definitely interesting. All right. Well, like the live if you like it. Keep leaving comments.